2 years into the college packing process, what actually matters? My daughter typically brings a suitcase, 3 of the large packing bags, hanging clothes and garbage bags, and usually an IKEA bag too. Now, I particularly love these sealable moving bags because they're so much more practical than IKEA. I didn't realize how helpful these handles on the end were for getting things out, as well as the handles on the top. The zippers have held up really well for us. I love that they keep their shape and they're stackable, easy access. We've had no issues with the quality, and these things have carried some serious weight. These get carried by a lot of people on move-in day, and they get carried in all directions, and they've held up great for us. We've moved in the rain and nothing got ruined, and don't underestimate stackability. You really need to be able to stack these things when you're shoving them in an SUV or a car, and these IKEA bags kind of flip and flop everywhere. It's just not the same. It's really not worth it. And they're kind of flimsy. It's kind of a similar material, but there's just a lot more structure to those moving bags. My daughter's gone to and from school multiple times. They're holding up great. In my opinion, these are a no-brainer. Hope that helps.